Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore one of the biggest reasons why so many people stay stuck in life, even when they work incredibly hard. A lot of people believe success comes down to talent, IQ, luck, or family background. They think some people are just born smart, while others are simply ordinary. This kind of thinking reflects a fixed mindset, and it quietly traps about 99% of people in cycles of self-doubt, fear, and stagnation. A fixed mindset makes you believe your abilities are set in stone. You're either good at something or you're not. There's no in between. But a growth mindset tells a very different story. Almost every skill, every ability, and every area of your life can be improved through effort, practice, and reflection. Talent may define your starting point, but mindset determines your ending point. People with a fixed mindset tend to avoid challenges, fear failure, and shy away from criticism. In contrast, people with a growth mindset lean into challenges, learn from mistakes, and constantly push themselves to improve. In today's episode, I'm going to break down 7 core rules of a growth mindset through a simple but powerful story. These rules will completely reshape the way you see difficulty, failure, and personal growth. Before we begin, drop a comment below. Do you often give up when things get difficult? Your answer says a lot about your current mindset. There was once a master jade carver, renowned throughout the entire kingdom. His work was exquisite, highly valuable, and collected by countless nobles. Many young apprentices came to him to learn the art of carving. Among them were 3 young men who stood out as the most hardworking and talented. One day, the master received 3 identical pieces of rough jade. On the surface, they looked ordinary, coarse, unrefined, and almost worthless. He gave one piece to each apprentice and said, "After 3 months, carve the best artwork you can from this stone. The finest piece will be rewarded, and the creator will inherit my core craftsmanship." The first apprentice was extremely confident. He believed he had natural talent and that carving skill came down to innate ability. But when he faced complex lines and difficult patterns, he quickly became frustrated. He thought, "This stone is too hard. These patterns are too complex. I'm just not cut out for this." He refused to ask for help, avoided feedback, and wouldn't practice repeatedly. He feared making mistakes. In the end, he produced a rough, simple carving. The second apprentice was diligent and disciplined. He carved every day, strictly followed the master's instructions, and never slacked off. However, whenever he made mistakes, he became anxious and discouraged. He saw errors as proof that he lacked talent. As a result, he only practiced what he was already good at and avoided more difficult styles. He completed a clean, standard piece, but it lacked originality and breakthrough. The third apprentice, named Lino, wasn't the most naturally gifted at the beginning, but he had a completely different mindset. When he faced difficult patterns, he wasn't afraid of failure. When his work turned out flawed, he didn't feel discouraged. Instead, every mistake was something he carefully recorded. He asked the master for guidance, practiced his weak areas hundreds of times, and constantly refined his approach. He treated every failure as progress, every difficulty as an opportunity to grow, and every flaw as a direction for improvement. 3 months later, the 3 apprentices presented their work. The first piece was rough. The second was decent but ordinary. But Leno's work was breathtaking, full of depth, precision, and unique artistic spirit. The other 2 apprentices, confused, asked the master, "Why did Leno succeed? Is it talent or hard work that matters most?" The master smiled and said, "Talent can only shine when paired with a growth mindset. Fixed ability eventually fades, but the ability to grow lasts forever." Let's break down the core difference between the 3 apprentices. At its heart, this is the exact gap between a fixed mindset and a growth mindset. The first apprentice had talent, but a fixed mindset. He believed ability is something you're born with. He feared difficulty, avoided challenges, and gave up when faced with setbacks. In the end, his greatest limitation wasn't his skill. It was his fear of failure and rigid way of thinking. The second apprentice was hardworking, but he had a passive mindset. He kept repeating what he already knew, refused to push beyond his comfort zone, and was afraid of making mistakes. His effort became a cycle of low-level repetition without real growth. The kind of busy work that looks productive but leads nowhere. The third apprentice had a true growth mindset. He wasn't afraid of imperfection or setbacks. He turned every mistake into experience and every challenge into an opportunity to improve. This story isn't just about jade carving. It's a powerful metaphor for life, personal growth, and upgrading your mindset. Lesson 1. Abilities are developed, not innate. A fixed mindset believes intelligence, talent, and ability are fixed at birth. A growth mindset believes every skill can be developed through continuous learning and practice. No one is born exceptional. Excellence is always the result of long-term effort, accumulation, and refinement. Lesson 2. Embrace challenges, avoid comfort. People with an ordinary mindset chase comfort and avoid pressure. People with a growth mindset actively embrace challenges because they understand that real growth only happens outside the comfort zone. Easy paths lead to an ordinary life. Difficult paths lead to extraordinary growth. Lesson 3. Failure is feedback, not a verdict. A fixed mindset treats failure as a judgment of self-worth. When they fail, they give up, believing they simply aren't good enough. A growth mindset sees failure as valuable feedback. Every mistake shows you what to improve and how to do better next time. Lesson 4. Effort is the path, not a weakness. People with a fixed mindset believe that if something takes effort, it means they lack talent, and they feel ashamed of hard work. A growth mindset understands that effort is the only way to develop and refine ability. Consistent effort turns average talent into exceptional strength. Lesson 5. Accept criticism. Absorb growth. Most people dislike criticism, take it personally, and refuse to change. That's exactly why they stop growing. In reality, criticism is free feedback for improvement. A growth mindset accepts objective feedback, corrects weaknesses, and continuously upgrades itself. Lesson 6. Learn from others. Don't envy others. A fixed mindset feels jealousy and insecurity when they see successful people. They compare, complain, and waste energy on negative emotions. A growth mindset sees successful people as sources of learning. They study others' strengths, adopt what works, and grow together. Lesson 7. long-term progress over short-term perfection. A fixed mindset demands instant perfection and fears imperfect beginnings. They would rather not start than risk making mistakes. A growth mindset understands that growth is a process. It accepts early imperfections and stays committed to long-term progress. Understanding the 7 growth mindset rules is not enough. Real change comes from consistent daily actions. You don't need dramatic life changes to build a growth mindset. What you need is to adjust your small thinking habits every day. First, replace fixed language with growth language. Instead of saying, "I can't," say, "I can't yet, but I will learn how." Second, face at least one small challenge every day. Take the initiative to step into unfamiliar territory and gradually expand your comfort zone. Third, record your failures and extract the lessons. Don't waste mistakes. Turn every setback into experience and insight. Start small, but start consistently. These simple mindset exercises will gradually reshape the way you think, and over time, they can genuinely transform your life within a few months. At the end of this video, I want you to understand one core truth about growth. Your life is not limited by your current abilities, but by a fixed mindset. 99% of people stop growing because they believe they are good enough or that they can't change. But the other 1% stay open-minded and growth-oriented. They keep learning, keep pushing through limits, and ultimately grow beyond everyone else. Talent fades. Luck comes and goes. But a growth mindset opens the door to endless possibilities. And a growth mindset is not just a temporary way of thinking. It's a lifelong way of living and a complete mental framework. No matter how ordinary you may feel right now, consistent growth will always lead you toward an extraordinary future. Now I want to hear from you. Which growth mindset rule resonated with you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want more high-quality content on mindset, growth, and self-improvement, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Stop limiting yourself with a fixed way of thinking. Start growing and improving every single day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.